In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Amazon Seller account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what details to prepare, and how to complete verification smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Amazon Seller account. Look for the official Amazon domain that leads to Seller Central or Amazon's selling page. Before you proceed, double-check the URL and the padlock icon to confirm you're on the legitimate Amazon site for your region. Once you're on the selling page, select the option to sign up. If you already have a regular Amazon account, you can sign in. Otherwise, create a new login specifically for selling. Follow the prompts until you reach the onboarding flow. You'll be asked for a valid credit card and a billing address. This card may be used for subscription fees or verification holds, so make sure the name and address match what your bank has on file. Enter everything carefully and confirm there are no typos. Next, add your store name, the public-facing name customers will see. You'll also be asked whether your products have universal product codes, often called UPCs, and whether you own the brand. If you do have UPCs for every product, choose the appropriate answer. If you own your brand, indicate that. If not, select the option that reflects your situation. Accurate answers here help Amazon route you correctly later when you start listing items. You'll then confirm key personal details: your full legal name, date of birth, country of birth and citizenship, and your residential address. You'll need to upload a government-issued ID and a proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the documents are clear, in color, and uncropped with all corners visible. The address on your document should match the address you entered. After that, set up your deposit method. Enter the account holder's name, your bank code or routing information, and your account number. Then choose the option to set the deposit method. The account name should match your legal or business details, and the account must be able to receive transfers in your marketplace's currency. For identity verification, you'll choose whether to take a photo or a short video. Good lighting and a steady camera help a lot here. Start the identity check and follow the on-screen prompts to capture your ID and a selfie. Keep your face centered, remove hats or reflective glasses, and avoid glare on your ID. When everything is submitted, wait up to 2 business days for Amazon to review your application. Keep an eye on your email and your Seller Central dashboard for updates or any requests for additional information.